CBG Inc.'s the company you can trust for all your commercial construction needs. We started small with only 3 employees and 1 dump truck in 1985 and have been completing projects of varying sizes ever since. With cutting-edge machinery and technology, a full-service maintenance shop, large, passionate, and driven staff, and over 30 years of experience, we will get the job done with excellence at the lowest price guaranteed. Commercial or industrial, we're dedicated to exceeding your expectations while staying within your budget. Our specialists have the knowledge and experience utilizing the newest technologies, giving our customers the most accurate estimates to keep projects running efficiently. We believe the old saying, "Trust is earned, not given." That's why our efforts to price properly and finish the project within a reasonable time frame is so important to us. Whether you're planning a new subdivision, adding a parking lot for your business, excavating a site, or creating a new stretch of highway, CBG Inc. is the paving and grading company for you.